Hi everyone, welcome to our video on NIFT entrance exam. So if you're preparing for this exam, then you know how important it is to do well and how competitive the process can be. So in this video, we are going to provide you some tips and tricks to keep in mind while taking the NIFT exam and how you can avoid those mistakes. So let's get started with this video. So one of the most common mistakes that students make is not being familiar with the paper format for the exam. The NIFT entrance exam is divided into two parts, the written exam and the creative ability test, so commonly known as the CAT and the GAT part. So the written exams consist of objective type questions, while the creative ability test consists of hands-on tests where you are required to create a design. It's important to understand these formats and prepare accordingly. Now, another common mistake is not managing your time effectively during the exam. The NIFT exam is long and requires a lot of focus and concentration. It's important to pace yourself and not spend much time on any one of the sections. Make sure to budget your time effectively so that you can complete all sections of the exam within the allotted time. Now, another way to stand out is by showcasing your creativity and originality. So the NIFT exam is looking for students who are not just good at design, but also can think outside the box and come up with unique solutions. So be sure to think about your designs, concepts, and solutions critically, and don't be afraid to try something new. Another common mistake is not paying attention to the instructions given by the examiners. So the NIFT exam is highly competitive and rigorous exam, and the instructions given by examiner can make a lot of difference in your performance. So make sure you read the instructions carefully and follow them to the letter. Now, another mistake that students often make is not preparing for the interview or portfolio building for NIFT. The NIFT exam is not just about marks or scores, but also about your overall personality and creativity. Make sure to prepare for the interview and portfolio building for NIFT in advance, as it can make or break your chances of getting into the institute. So make sure you revise all the concepts clearly and go through all the notes that you have prepared throughout the year and all the important topics that you have been preparing for since the start of your preparation. And also, to boost your creativity for NIFT exam, Creative Edge by Top Rankers India is bringing in 11 days masterclass this Monday, where you will get 35 plus hours of live online classes, which will be on their website, access to recorded lectures, 2 mock tests with video analysis, digital study material, topic tests and assignments prepared by top faculties at Creative Edge. Complete design preparation with advanced counseling and expert mentors will also be given and support till college selection. So hurry up, book your seat now, and don't forget to use my coupon code, that is GB10, to get exciting discounts. The link would be in the description box below. Now finally, a reminder for all of you, don't forget to be yourself in the exam. Remember, the NIFT exam is looking for students who are not just good at design, but also have unique perspectives and a passion for the field. So be true to yourself and your interests, and let your personality shine through your work. Don't get discouraged by the competition. Remember, if you are passionate enough about design and you have put in the work to prepare, you have already got what it takes to succeed. That's it for this video. I hope and wish you all the best for your exam. Thanks and bye-bye.